Our next comedian appeared in the Jeffersons and Stand and Deliver. Let's hear it for the very talented Lydia Nicole. Give us some love. There you go.
So I'm biracial. Or for those of you who fill out applications, I'm other. I'm half black and half Puerto Rican. Out here that makes me Mexican. The Mexicans don't appreciate it. In Miami, it makes me Cuban. And in Mississippi, it makes me dead. When I turned 18, my mother sent me to my father to go get the child support check. But before my father gave me the check, he gave me this lecture. Mira, baby, all your mommy wants is money, money, money. That's all she wants. You don't believe me? Okay, I'm gonna prove it to you. You take this check to her, you tell her it's the last check she's gonna get. And what's the expression on her face? So I went back and told my mother what my father said, and without missing a beat, my mother said, oh, really? Well, you go back and you tell Tommy, I said he ain't your father. And watch the expression on his face.
Take me to the Bronx, okay? Okay, baby. Tomorrow I pick everybody up. I pick everybody, you, everybody, baby. Yeah. Papi love you. And right there is Miss Ramona Stoop. Ramona's a madam. She sits out there with Phoebe, Purita, and all her other girls. And Ramona got this glass eye. She looking at you or not. That's why she gotta wear the cat lady sunglasses. So the Johns, her customers, don't get confused.
Can you get negative girlfriends?
No, just negative boyfriends. Please forgive them, for they know not what they do.
What are you, some kind of wise guy? Right? Turn around.
Hey, what are you doing?
Shut up. You got another watch, man?
No, I don't.
Yeah, let's take all his clothes off again. What's in that pocket?
Nothing.
Nice. Thanks.
Hey, wait a minute, that don't belong to me.
I know. Now it belongs to me. Want a sample?
Mm-hmm.
That what you want?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Enjoy. Can you believe this? And this guy's reading War and Peace. You think they're waiting in Brentwood?
I don't know.
Yeah, well, I don't think so. Telling you they're the friendly bank. Come in and wait forever is what they really mean.
They have friendly to me.
Yeah, wait till you get the bank charges.
Why are you doing this to me?
Here's your choices. You tell us what we need to know and protect you. No jail, no Miguel, no La Migra.
Beulah was the beginning. And yeah, she was a maid, but you know what? Beulah was ours.
Un vaso de vino, Chardonnay, por favor.
English, please.
And what's wrong with speaking Spanish? Hello? What, are you afraid that they're gonna find out they're Mexicans?
We were born in the United States. We're Americans. I got something else I gotta do. I ain't afraid to die.
No. Your type is afraid to live.
Lisa, they're playing our song.
Thank you for saving me.
What the hell are you doing? You are my son's coach.
It became my quest as a fan to answer one question. Why did they break up? That started a roller coaster ride to get this movie made. And it wasn't easy. I got the scars to prove it.
Camina esa mulata. Camina, ay mamita, camina.
Common Sense-ter. I'm Lydia Nicole, your Common Sense Mamita.
Are you afraid of networking?
Well, fear no more.
I got the goods for you. The reality is that you are diverse. You're diverse as an artist in that you're a writer, you're an actor, you're an author, and you're a speaker.
That's very Latino.
In order for us to compete, we have to be 7 times better. We have to know 7 times how to do it differently than what is expected of a white, especially of a white actor.
Today we're gonna talk about your worst nightmare. I'm here to give you some tips to make it less stressful.
You know, as Latinos in the business, it is our responsibility to help everybody. You know, well, not everybody, let me take that. I ain't helping everybody. But to help people who really have the talent, have the drive, and are good.
If I can do it, so can you. Go for it.
Si no tiene gasolina, libera en su monoplano, que venga con los cubanos que tienen mercado libre. La mujer de Antonio.